In this video, we're going to talk about HTML links to Dropbox versus HTML links to Amazon and what those presentations are going to look like in the courses where you're going to have to update those links. So I'm in CJS 235 here. This is one of our criminal justice courses. It has several of these presentations. Now, when you use an external URL to link stuff to the module, which is the way that we want to do that, it's going to look like a link there in the module, and it'll have external URL. When you need to update that link, you just click that edit button or that gear icon at the far right of that and edit it, and then you can update that link. Now you'll see that I've already done this one because it's linking to Amazon, but if you have one that is linking to Dropbox, you're going to need to update that link to that updated Amazon link, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But then you would just click update there. Now there can be and once you're done with that, let me add that once you're done relinking the video to the Amazon link, you need to play that video and make sure it's playing. And so here's an example of one of our presentations that's been linked, and they're pretty distinct. They're going to have this notes. They should have a notes bar on the left hand side for just the presentation. We also have in some of our courses, let me find one, some interactive type of activities for the students, and they're going to look a little bit different than those presentations. And so we've got some down farther. Okay, here's one. Here's an activity. This is in the same system, so it's going to have the same thing. So you'll see it looks significantly different, but we're still going to have to update those links as well. And so what you're going to want to do is anytime in a course that you see this link over here, you just want to open that up, go to edit, click on the gear icon, go to edit, and see if that has a Dropbox URL in it. And if it does, you're just going to need to update that to the Amazon URL. Now, another thing that I wanted to cover is we do want all of our presentations like that to be linked in the module structure like this. What we don't want to happen is for there to be presentations like that that are linked like an embedded link like this within a content page. So if you have a course that has that and you notice that those presentations are linked to the content page, you're going to want to go ahead and link those presentations to the corresponding module in the course. So make sure that you link it via the external URL in the course, which you can add those. If you have one that you need to add, you can click that add button here for the module, and it'll automatically take you to assignment. You're going to want to select external URL, and then you'll get the option to put that URL in it and that page name. Once you've added that content with that new Amazon link and named the page, you want to verify that that presentation is working. And if they had it linking to that content page, and once you have it properly working in the module structure, you're just going to go back to that content page and delete that content, which we covered in a previous video. So if you have any questions, please let us know. That should cover everything for how to update those links, and we will cover how to grab those links out of Amazon in our next video.